Nothing can distress me anymore.
Let's see what you got!
You better make yourself scarce.
Just calm down.
What's your game? You want me to put a bullet in your skull?
Christ! Time for more!
Jesus is Satan! There's a murder!
Don't worry,
Come on,
no
or
more
take care of
here.
it myself.
Easy now. You're a good boy.
No, please, no!
You like fighting, I bet.
Big old mouth you got there.
But how you like losing, huh?
You want this?
Calm down.
That's why I don't like folk.
How do you like that? Is that all? Have fun of yourself! Let up.
Lord Almighty! Someone help!
Hold up!
Whatever you want. No one will ever hear it from me. Help! God, help! Please!
Let's see what you got in here.
Leave me be.
You really are as dumb as rocks. Oh, for the love of God! And twice as useless. Where you going off to? Thought we was talking there. Can't just run away from your problem. Easy. Is that all?
Can't wait to take that gun off your dead body.
What are you talking about? What's it look like? Nothing. 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 I don't think. Nothing as far as I can tell. What are you talking about? What do you mean? Nothing. I don't think. What's it look like? Nothing. Nothing as far as I can tell. Nothing. Nothing you need to worry about. You keep quiet, friend. Don't ask so many questions. Nothing. So keep yourself to yourself. You keep your nose out. Nothing. So go away. Nothing. Yet. Don't ask so many questions.
This is Murphy. Got a smart acre.
I'ma shoot you.
God damn it.
Tiny pecker fool.
Should I shoot, my friend? Hey, boy. Buddy!
Get out of
That's enough now. What, you think you're tough or something?
I don't need no
Trying to
nonsense
start
today.
something here?
Easy.
God damn it.